What if I told you the decisions you make today could define your financial future? In a world of rising inflation, unpredictable markets, and global uncertainty, one question echoes louder than ever. Should you invest in gold or silver in 2025? Or hey, maybe you're just tired of watching your money sit in your bank account, earning less interest than your grandma's savings account. Today, we're diving deep into this timeless debate. I'll break down the facts, the risks, and most importantly, the potential rewards of both. Stay with me till the end, because the answer might just surprise you. The conflict and build-up gold, the ultimate safe haven. Let's start with gold, the OG of wealth preservation. For centuries, gold has been synonymous with security. When markets crash, gold tends to shine brighter. Literally. In 2025, with geopolitical tensions brewing and potential recessions on the horizon, gold's role as a safe haven asset becomes even more critical. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to feel like a pirate stashing treasure? But does gold's stability come at the cost of higher returns? Stick around, we'll tackle that shortly. Now, let's flip the coin. Literally, to silver. Silver, the industrial underdog. Silver is often called gold's younger sibling, but don't underestimate it. Unlike gold, silver is not just an investment, it's also an industrial workhorse. From electric vehicles to solar panels, silver plays a massive role in the green energy revolution. Imagine missing out on silver's growth potential in a world racing towards sustainability. That's the kind of FOMO you don't want. But is silver's industrial demand enough to outweigh its higher volatility? Let's unravel this together. Before we decide the winner, let's look at what unites these two precious metals. Common ground, inflation hedge. Both gold and silver excel as hedges against inflation. With the Fed keeping everyone guessing about interest rates, holding assets that retain value is like having a financial safety net. But here's the million-dollar question. Is hedging enough to secure your future, or should you aim higher? The answer might change how you think about building wealth in 2025. The resolution and call to action? So, gold or silver? The answer isn't one size fits all. If you value stability and long-term preservation, gold might be your go-to. But if you're chasing higher returns with a bit more risk, silver could be your golden ticket. Or should I say, silver ticket. Here's the deal. Diversification is key. Why choose one when you can harness the power of both? A balanced approach can protect you from market chaos while letting you ride the wave of growth. Now that you've unlocked the secrets of gold and silver, it's time to level up your investing game. Check out my next video on mastering trading strategies in 2025. Learn how to make your money work harder than ever. Click here or find the link in the description. Your future self will thank you. Remember, every investment you make today is a step closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Stay inspired, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.